that Namalenge Samala Ngadudili Samdishui and Deda Chapjido and Derinje Nimbut Hersongi tea. That they trade the Mashucha Shuai.
First of all, I would like to wish everyone good morning, and I will continue with the teachings on the instructions on the 3 essential points.
Adelea Nimbu Tensum Sadi Nimbu de Sendigi, the Nyamlengi, Nimbu Amji, Nyamlengi be Kasuda, Nangarabdi Dema, Tambudi Demebre, Niba Delia, and Chige Nyamlengi Nimbu, Denamebre. That the ne Sumbadigi and Padu Nyamlengi Nimbu, Denamtu Sibre.
When we say the 3 essential points, the first essential point is the essential point of the practice for this life. The second essential point is the essence of the practice for the time of death. And the third essential point is the essence of the practice for the period of the bardo.
Tereya, that didn't there, and Kazan Hondo, that Cindy Yamling Buddha, Chicken Yamling Budi should be Suchene, didn't there, Pardon Yamling Budi, and Pardon Yamling Busawa the Shuai.
Yesterday we discussed the essence of the practice for this life and the essence of the practice for the time of death. And so today we will continue with the essence of the practice for the bardo.
Teyan Zazignando and Dini Pador Shechela, Chenasang or Gurche, Tuni Jinajur, Kevin in some Jarachazo.
So here the root text reads, recognize that this is the bardo, transform the outer, inner, and secret, and do the yoga of emptiness and compassion. The wise thus take rebirth.
That delay, Sigan Tamudigi, Dini Pador Shechela, Sigan Tamudigi, Karsugorsana, Tade Yunan de Tamje, Tadangaran Sugi, Jisumbe Negab, Yugina de Tamje. Pardo Tunai and the Pardola Pardor Moshen Gunyam Yaya Gomba Mina and Mount Balea and Pardola gave a Gupsu Pardola Gendo Yambachiki Jikare Nawa Sharion Gablia and Gabdi Dusane, the datum to Pardo Nawa in Yambeki. Other Padola, Padro, Mocha to the
The first line, saying, recognize that this is the bardo, means that now we need to recognize that the appearance of this life, everything that appears as an object to our senses in this life, all of these are confused perceptions of a bardo. So we need to recognize that this bardo for being a bardo and meditate upon it as such. And if we do this in the future, when we are born in the bardo, then and we have the feeling or the appearance occurs to us, I've been born in the bardo, then we will be able to think, all these appearances are the bardo. We'll be able to recognize the bardo for being the bardo.
드린 뉴스단에 파르드기 지기 즉 파르도 임바지 최티아르 지다 ngosi야르 지리야 안 밀름기 가서 밀름이 뭐 ngosi야 섬르베 밀름 심베 탑데 계সম이 소마레.
And in order to recognize what constitutes the bardo and to understand that we're in the bardo, it's helpful for us to recognize our dreams. So if we are, for this we need to be able to recognize our dreams as being dreams.
밀름이 뭔가 심베게 탑. 데 가르가리오를 슈비미나. 안에 당부디 아주 님버기 님이 나와 탐지 님의 아주 님의 인공기 나와 탐지 님마샤데 그 나와 탐지 밀라미 냠도 삼네 제시돼야 데 개주직 차대요래 다드네 니버디 수수 녀하라말이야 라마다 하조라야 저 하벌라 다담질지 밀름 세와다 밀름 세보야다 밀름 무슨투야다 밀름 주유르 뉴베 친gel랍도 söje진 소아다야디 계시부지 차디야래.
And so what are the methods for recognizing dreams as being dreams? Well, the first is to recognize that our daytime appearances, that is the appearances during the day when the sun is shining, is to think to ourselves, these are all dreams, and to have the mindfulness and awareness of thinking them. This is the first point, and it is very important. The second point is that in order to recognize dreams, we need to supplicate our guru, whoever that is, and our specific special yidam deity. And we need to supplicate them, please grant me your blessings so that I will be able to recognize the dreams as being dreams.
다는 신기 밀름 샤령을 qab리야 밀름 드라탐지 그 시네 대다 주규르 치기 인양백에 로이 펜바땅 로이 펜바땅과 돼 계속 시작되어 알았어.
And likewise, when the appearances of the dream occurs, we need to recognize them that they are as dreams, and then we need to have the sort of mental impetus of thinking, I'm going to transform these dream appearances.
Then 다는 신기 러니 카서반이 제레스 카서반이 가장 고도슈변한 신기 제레스 카서반이 세웨기 짐발레야 베마마보 다마 시번으로 따든지 예배 매바체 디때와래야 오미 말고 드지 예바 삼네 에 드제체 니드 바 침비미나 될래야 가서 셈 송네 될라 셈때 도스바 니드 조아지 제비미나 아네 디자 에너지 밀름 심발에 벤도 용으로 해서 다 간다를 공도 쉬베기 밀름 심베 탑 대달라 된거아디 개좀 차리겠어. 오마르보 오마부 검네 오마부 가시 오마부 송도 야나 이게 안라고 검나 죽으면도 아마부지 검나 죽으면도.
And so you visualize yourself also as Avalokiteshvara, Avalokiteshvara Kasarpani, as we described yesterday, and you imagine that in front of yourself is a red lotus with 4 petals. In the center of this red lotus with 4 petals are the letters Om Ahom, or sometimes it's said to be Om Aho, or you could visualize a red letter A. In any case, you focus your mind on this as you fall asleep, and this is also said to help greatly in recognizing your dreams.
다드네 디젤이야 친화상 규로와 차수한데기 가르친 거 알았으나 네 밀음을 심비 젤이야 아니 유난 탐지 가수에 유기 나와 탐지 지 탐에도 마시엠바 탁베 나와 개고래서
The next line says, transform the outer, inner, and secret. And this means that that after you have recognized the dreams for being dreams, then whatever appears as an object, you should not grasp at it as being ordinary, but instead have pure perception of it.
드린주산에 따디나 친앙 상화 송대학이 치디 가르에서는 친뇌인 직된 친뇌인 직된데 다베 신도 규리하다 단 이번 낭 송대하데 낭주기 심지를 고유해버리면 낭주기 심지 함지 이담기 하이굴 규리하다 되네 순바 상화 송하데 가르쳐서나 마다비 뉴주 탐지 나는 심해봐 저기 가수에 나는 심해배기 다 진짜게 니루루 검체 근데 가수에 삼동아디 상화 규주를 대임래 단도나 밀음 뇌시베젤이야 밀음 규르뉴바 드리지고레스 다 간다 밀음 내가블이야 다지 근데 딱한도 컨디션에 지나상에기 규주 되다 제뉴버도 드리지 고레스 드리지 충분히미나 안 파르된 내가 불라야 대다 붙이 거를 균뉴바 인소
And so here when it says transform the outer, inner, and secret, the outer refers to the external world. Inner refers to the inhabitants of and so the outer is the external world. You imagine that this is becomes a pure realm. The inner refers to the sentient beings who inhabit the world. You imagine that these all are transformed into the Yidam deity. Secret means that all of the impure appearances of the external and internal of the world and its inhabitants all appear but have no nature. So you meditate contemplating this, and this is transforming the secret. And so basically, after you recognize your dreams, you need to be able to transform them. And if you are able to transform the outer and inner and secret and develop the capacity to transform them, then you will be able to do this in the bardo as well.
다드네 가르슈에 파르드냐면 왜 셰알이야 딱 온도 셰바는 신기 다도나 밀음 가르슈지 파르드기 드네람 저 다간 두슬람 좀으로 다 공도 밀음디 가르슈에 뇌심베젤이야 아니 되네 신에 지 파르드냐면 올리야 죽어요 말에 텔레야 따뜻다 공도 주변은 신기 cen디 나와 탐제 파르드 튜나 이냠도 참바대야 공기 밀음다 찾아와 도수 제고예입니다.
Then to engage in the actual practice of the bardo, it is as I have just described. Once you're able to recognize once you're able to recognize your dreams, then only at that point are you able to actually do the bardo practice. And the way you do this is you recognize that all of the appearances of this lives are the confused appearance of a bardo, and that they are the same as what we have been just describing with dreams.
다는 신기 야 치갈라몰라 서로다 치갈라 라마다 라졸 바로 뇌스바다 즉 친하상와 주르니바다 다는 신기 삼신도 스바송니바 삼신도 깨와 레니바 다든지기 친길랍도 수제제 소아다가다 다는 신기 말한게다 즉 바로 디 바로이 멍외스바 지기냐 베가 로에 펜바 동야다 델라소바 다디기 다게 공도 밀름리아 뇌스비 탑 시아바 나신기 아네 바로이 내가블라야 다나시바 냠솔레아르부데 이마다.
And so then at the same time, at the time of death, we also need to make the strong aspiration. May I be able to transform the outer, inner, in secret. May I be able to take an intentional rebirth. So at the time of death, we also need to be able to pray to be able to do this, and also to be able to transform the appearances. Basically, at the time of death, we also need to be able, we need to pray we need to supplicate and pray in order to be able to recognize the appearance, and then to be able to practice with them, just as we do during the dreams. So we need to do exactly the same during the bardo.
다전에 바동 뇌스비 제래야 친하상 규주디 안 공그 밀음 스비 가르 공그 밀음 스비 탑시에 갑도 총바르미 인두사양게 슈모체.
And the method of transforming the outer, inner, and secret during the bardo is exactly the same as the method during the milam that during the dreams that I've just described. So I will not explain it again.
다드네 기시도 인점 주주시야. 디바레. 다델라 뚱니니지 내주기 케베 인점 자로 차소.
And so then we need to have the antidote for taking an uncertain rebirth, and the antidote for this is that we take rebirth with knowledge or with skill.
다지당기 수수라니 집에나 간델라 소베 타베 신레야 포고여 삼바이미나 아는 가장 쉬는 신기 안에 가수에다 가장 지게 냠래 포와 시베 겁리야 시바 나신 임바레 야나 다 양게라 좀불링기 가수에다 다 미기 겨와 랭고 삼바르 드 템베이미나 안에 딱 가수에지 파마 지 수수기 딱 가수다 니엘이야 파마 체고입니다. 겨알렌세 파마로 체 안에 파마 체외 걸려야 안에 지 차당 차바다 지 양들의 기시도 팔아 차바다 말아 당와서라보다야 말아 당와다 팔아 차바서라보다 저기 차당의 왕기 지단은 유미 상으로지 차당의 왕기 차과다 당의 왕기 스발의 인점 전에 겨알린 그레스 다 진짜 많이 봐 금들이야 탐액이 나와 타라 배 가수에 탐액이 낭신당 다가나시 차당기 게 대달라 때마 많이 봐 에너지 가수에 가르쳐 나왔다 처유 대다 삼제 런신기 뭐주바 동반이도 곰 돈이 raji mo tru tu ni da da na sing gi dang yu ji da tham je la ane dung he da chen de gi ni ji ge ne den je gi da tu ni de ni ji gi nyam le de la de ne cha dang ni bu de pa ga ane ta me ge nang xin jang ne ane pa ma ni bu di tu ji xian bu de ne ya yum do be ka shu gom ne de ge to ne ane ka shu ning sam jog ge yin ba re su
And so at the time of death, if we want to take rebirth in a pure realm such as Tushita, then we can do the explanation, do the practice of Poa, just as I described it yesterday during the discussion of Poa as the practice for the time of death. Or if we would like to take rebirth in this world, for example, as a human, then we need to search for our parents. When we are searching for our parents, normally when we take rebirth out of the power of either attraction or aversion. We feel attraction for the father and aversion for the mother, or we feel aversion for the mother and attraction for the father. And this is what causes us to come into a new existence and to be conceived in a new existence. But here, instead of viewing our parents as ordinary beings who would be the conditions for creating or for the arising of attraction or aversion, instead we should see that those who would be objects of attraction are not established as nature and meditate upon them as being emptiness. Those whom we see as objects of aversion, we should see that they are also prone to suffering, and develop compassion for them. And in this way, with the practice of the yoga of the unified emptiness and compassion, we should, instead of taking rebirth from the power of attraction and aversion, instead, we see that all the ordinary appearances are not established by nature, and we feel compassion for and then we see our prospective parents as being Avalokiteshvara, the father and the mother, and we meditate on them in this way, and then intentionally take rebirth in this manner.
Sewadi shudrubi tsuchene tadine sharjung tagum jesungi ne demba nenga demba deimbare.
And so that is the explanation of the practice for the bardo. And then following that, there is the explanation of the additional explanation of the view, meditation, and conduct.
다데라 kanshirang zintawe tela mai gombe ne jebaronim tembaronim jebe ne jutub chembe damba os shurogati chikdem ibre.
This is taught with a single stanza, which reads, "The key point of the view is recognizing whatever appears. The key point of meditation is being undistracted in that. The key point of conduct is experiencing mindfulness. This is the great Siddha's advice."
나와 강샤로 이내야 다 탐지베 지 소소라 강샤로 나시 된도 주매봐. 샤로 나시지 된도 매봐. 된도 뭐 주버인가. 데르직 무슨 차디 무슨 차다 때는 배버 차디 바에 nengares.
So whatever it is that appears to us, it is not established in the same way as it appears to us. Although it appears to us, it is not actually established, or does not actually exist as it appears. And so recognizing this and gaining and comprehending or gaining certainty of this is the key point of the view. Then if we can rest in equipoise undistracted from the meaning that we have comprehended, then that is the key point of meditation.
다 능시 관대기 최탐지 능시 관대기 최탐지 다 가수의 지 가수의 낭동 예매 또 로냐바 낭동 예매도 로냐바 임바지 ten신배 강내 현둔도 야외세기 제발라 로바티 제베 내이 말해서
And if we maintain a recollection that all the phenomena of samsara and nirvana that appear and exist are the same in flavor in being the inseparability of appearance and emptiness, while remembering this, if we engage in the activity to benefit others, the conduct of a bodhisattva, that is the key point of conduct.
타마들라 조도침비 담보 순두산에 공도 시에바다 탐지 주제 미전주기 당화윤바 되바이버래.
And the last line, this is the great Siddha's advice, teaches that these are the pith instructions of the great yogi Mitra Yogi.
다디나네 순두산에 디다디 저시기 나네 쇼로가 당부디 주제 미전주기기 노르덴디 주제 미전주기기 송외인스 현다디기 추불로자와 코랑기 다 대기 튼제르 튼기 잡아버지 다디 계시에다 담지 튼기 잡아버지 인수 되는 송샤.
It also says at the end of these root verses that the very first verse, the brief overview, is a stanza that was actually taught by Mitra Yogi himself, and the remainder of it was written by Tropu Lotsawa as an explanation of their meaning.
Hi. 다들의 겸주도 주치라 준주바인 초게 수인디네 김바다로도 된 강야로 넘바 숨게 라반 짐바 민짐바 관계야 주발에 예바메지 펜신보다 덴바라 응아고 초가디 지준지 미르주게 촐로를 담바티니 끄바네 소놈 초속의 명아인라 대내 상기기 수기 그룹에 탑라나메바 이노 라나메버 저도.
Now to continue reading from the instructions by Mikya Dorje, there is no fault for anyone at all, whether monastic or lay, whether they uphold the precepts of the 3 vows or not, to practice this liturgy, and it has been praised as having tremendous benefits. These instructions were given by Mitra Yogi to Tropu Lotsawa, and presented here are the pith instructions in gathering merit, which have been called the greatest method for achieving the form kayas of a Buddha.
단의 이식이 속에 죽을 주버려 제베 사모 동반이 다음도 지들 자와는 지게도 강실은 유지 따위는 대라면 이거면 전바로 님 제베는 주도심배 담보 시행 중에 돼 타바다 탐지견바 토버려 제발 기기 조원은 뭐다도 따위 미동바 데버셔반디니라 유체 탐지 동담에 뭐다 그러면 니수든 니 머슈브 주반디 샤베 뭐다가 나와 탐지견 주주의 바신이라 대나 지게도 지시 풍부르지에 베티시 대랑 안지연 양래데 대래야는 겨와의 신중화 전중화더라 지시 풍속이 최 탐지랑 뭐다도 좀 예반은 디 제라게 최 가사 더블라 뭐다가 좀 깨라 가사기 체 가사게 최인라 최지 다된가네 가나 가사라 다된 쇼라 킨 로데 녀집롱로 가나 녀집로 좀 붙이 로 샤라 킨로 신기 7일 대다르나 녀집 의미 의수 마가야 진심이 수동 거로와다 수소라 최다 의수 마가지 수소 라 가사가다 수동 거 미롱아 마인비 로빈기兄弟 최다 마가나 가사가다 미기 버템바 마인세 주다시다 야 최다 마키나 가사가다 미키데 덴베지 미기나 덴베 최다 미기 비치를 타동의 신 매버 마키나 샤바 미기 버신세 주다시게 안나라 대다르나 냐랑 최기 다음에 개바 미금 티진베 개바 곰사와는 체도 차와 딥직의 진입방을 체베 제산의 기류 인기 라신기 풍감경에서 최기 다음에 검제차는 기류 체바 마이노시 첨복하지 마오 친 대달라 땜베 착소 윤집 윤딩게 레 게메게 사발의 양실라의 코웨 가술 첨바인라 대나 코알의 넘버 최원돼 바다 가사의 최기다 응어부왕 덴버다와데 도베 담에 랑법 체지 케 거유 여랑법도 뉴메 시법이 찔라세나 최 강다 강게 최 강다 강게 인루라세 오늘 인루데 진짜지 잖아 这样门把条写毛我呢这样门把的真的是见了天天国家马上觉得马些比纯是性比看到人的一个白菜马路面都天天打给听得出这我人的现性比这多讲嘛是看了拉下都没念头我呢却一这样门把的店面日日都不是都脱手现在呢这样没天是没嘛的这样门被动念了这样容易定住开了没这军警讲白上边남동 우측으로 숨어지 지야마이 지야롱아이 망가라 버쳐 검지하는 콘데 이메도 버친게로 시행원의 코요 яб시타게 리버 슝 주심비 치로 첸 뉴메시브 니니 경거데 대치들 강반이 기불해진도 가사도 나와다 수소 풍어도 최수 나외 지당의 뒤에 간사의 최 간사와 대탐제 대진대 어느 정도 잡는人식이 주변我打的不总是这么一样，东北你嘛到，他们一人家的其他个春天打不到，我不让的都出不，团他们都工作不，你个样干么绿说，些农里面啊，那么些农人中啊，当我怎么，我些改了，让你举了，假如呢，特你帮吧，我们那么就大约你那超都举不赢啦。
Now for how to view and meditate on profound emptiness to achieve the Dharmakaya through the accumulation of wisdom. As it is said, the key point of the view is recognizing whatever appears. The key point of meditation is being undistracted in that. The key point of conduct is experiencing mindfulness. This is the great Siddha's advice. The meaning of this is that the primary impediment to achieving liberation omniscience is just this viewing things and a self while clinging to them as not empty and true. Because this does not engage the nature of all objects and phenomena being empty, selfless, and devoid of anything or self, it is confused, and all the appearances of a thing or self that this confusion creates are solely confused phenomena. As this says, as long as there is clinging to all phenomena in general, such as aggregates, as things or a self, clinging to phenomena that are their particulars, such as an individual, as a self or a thing, will occur. Those who have in their beings afflictive obscurations that are based on the view of the individual self, and here there is a note on this term, you ask what an individual is also a phenomena, and if the self or truth of phenomena in general is refuted, a self or truth will implicitly be negated for individuals as well. Just as when the idea of fish scales being silver is refuted, the idea of fish scales being precious is automatically negated. Still, just as it is reasonable to separately refute that fish scales are precious even without actually refuting that they are silver, it is not unreasonable to refute an individual self and form and so forth even without actually refuting a phenomenal self. There is one school that says this citation from the master does not teach that the individual self cannot be negated unless the phenomenal self is negated. Another school says that the individual self cannot be negated unless the phenomenal self is negated, because the particulars of the truth cannot be negated without negating the universals of truth, just as you cannot refute that there are cedars in a stone fortress without refuting that there are trees there. In this way, in saying that the Shravakas and Pratyeka Buddhas do not meditate at length on phenomenal selflessness, but Mahayana selfless practitioners do, At length means in terms of the function of abandoning one type of obscuration or two, not in terms of whether they meditate on the selflessness of their own or others' aggregates, elements, and sense bases, as some great masters say. So they're based on the view of the individual self, such as greed, accumulate virtuous and unvirtuous karma, due to which they take rebirth and cycle in the ocean of samsara. Therefore, those who wish to be liberated from samsara must sustain just this lack of a self and lack of truth, the fundamental natural state, letting be, which counters the view of an individual or phenomenal self, of things, or of things, or of truth. Here's a note. You ask what are kaju, letting be, and fundamental natural state are. It is what we call the way any phenomenon is. What is the way that it is? It is not being anything, we say. Well, what is that not being anything like, you ask? This is something we do not know how to speak of, conceive, or describe. It is just as the great Brahman explained long ago. Free of color, quality, letter, and analogy, I cannot speak of it. I don't illustrate it as anything. Thus I can find no solid rock to put in your hand. But if you suspect that our not being anything means absolute non-existence, like rabbit horns, that does not follow, and we do not say that, because we assert that within the emptiness that is not anything, there is interdependence that can be anything. My masters have already established this point perfectly. As the omniscient Jampo Sampo said, the essence of thought is the Dharmakaya as it is taught, not anything at all, but arising as anything, appearing in unceasing play to this great meditator. Bless me to realize the inseparability of samsara and nirvana. The way to sustain this is all the samsaric and nirvanic phenomena that appear and are included within the external or the internal, appearances as individuals like the person Devadatta, or appearances as phenomena like the five aggregates as form and so forth, arise interdependently. Apart from just that, there is only the emptiness of being empty of even the slightest inherently established true thing or self. Nothing either relative or ultimate that exists as a thing true in itself, such as the beginningless instinctive projections or projections of Buddhist and non-Buddhist schools, remains at all. Identifying this or developing certainty in it as it appears in scripture logic and the pith instructions and the Guru's words, and then incorporating that experience into your being is the supreme key point of the middle way view that abandons the two extremes.
대야 최신기 차 강의 받으니 나와라 봐 대가 따라 주den기 된신의 영어보 대단 대라 대들 루아메도 냐바는 응외신의 다다니 임베 대니 응외된도 즈바 강의 받에 사모동반이 더 실업율로 미팅쇼 임베 최신기 타 대가니 람범용마 동반이도 랑주기 동바 개버지 깨거데 대지 지준 간보배 오가 공고 동바 공배 미변 동바 한리기 검시 송라 디에 치더나의 추생기 차더니 딘루 따난 것도 동니가 공거기 대달 공배 치더는 능루 딘디 차디 최신의 지점도 나야 디에라지 동니리신 민비 차 대대 춘이的대대 대비 최신의 춘이랑 된번이 소소로 좀 최신의 춘이 냐번이도 조지 야와면 뭐 또바 인라 또바 대지 또바 치더 정신은 거주름 부지시는 나나나도 링너도 되나데도 최탐제랑 랑사랑 동할부 제메 대가라 친에다 가샤메 공부 현중어 디니인라 그래서 시全部 전부 가지기 시바도 최신기사를 수도 이해돼 체 수도 이해 공준데 자만 라마 우마바 제창가반 기르 주지소를 유비 sabju umatari sabala chongyi tani be tsemi chujin kawashi ti chunyi dendong su mi xewa de rishi tsemi ti chunyi dendong sa ti chujin kawang su mi xewa de shula pinzu je be chochi be dini yeme to tungni to na le ju le la nge she dendo do sabche ino shema wa ndidar na kasa de ba 별로 신 롱초기 인데 갈아야 고아차와 딱 갈아시 티 실거 보통아 유엔데 탐제 통화니 투뱅에 버미제 두바랍도 주고에 셔다 된게랑 오지 되는 것좀 이발라 세만은 다사가 마통 차시 지시 제사와정랑 저번 슈퍼셀라 제나 대대 10절로 다세기 측근식이 내등이 내준 최탐제 사모 동반이도 셔발레 메동버 우주기 슝주베 체 데더 코너는 데들 자와 임비 파베유 주발 인생이 내라 제바나 상계발로 추준되다 보때 마차소시 베드다 셴보 나게 인생이 예상자와 참발링바 정중체라서게 로마로 송수시 뉴동 차바 다보 차번 중내래 차번 중내 비탭닝 버라 꽤낭 오체 춘이 동반이 고반은 호자라서 그 유름부치 루라는 마이데 군주기 최신기 차용어다 신신기 된델에 맞아와라 텔레 구도 대 춘이 동반이 고바게도 제가 세난 그 주주기 추바 상버 미뉴디 강 춘생기 주주 도바 대 춘생기 주시 대단 데르트베 왼버 도게 발레 대더 마도베 왕 최텔레 데메 추생기 주주 도버 미규위시 대더 동ning 예서와 공반에 타바다 탐색게 발람도 중세계 민주대 수메벨레 지에메 동ning 공반에 사모 동반이 공반 람도 민주와신도 시버지시 담바인라 대야티사 뉘기 투 나베 살람 미미민제소게 사모 동반이 딱고 친질로 땜반에 체마데 땜베츠야 리지도 망해봐 라라는 캐버 차브 귤레 쇼니 롱리 따나마고 텐도 좀 대주제다 제대 로버트 땜바다 라라는 주도도 차브 귤레 쇼니 냠다 띵이지 따나마고 제도 좀 대냠당 디냠용더 제바 또시 삽세도 되는 로버트 땜바서 간제기 주디 심해와나왜 신도 따버 차위 내들래 기부 담바 잡을로진 다는 로드 체타시 주무르지는 주버르기 제조게 진주는 남바군도 방와 차고 코나를 셰고요소
There's quite a bit to go through. The thought that which is the phenomenal aspect itself is an appearance that is true in itself, a functional thing that is truly established exactly so, and that it is undeceiving about those, is clinging to things and the view of a self. Thus that which is clinging to just that as a thing or truth is an impediment to the mind of prajna that realizes profound emptiness. So one must develop the superior realization of that same phenomenal aspect being self-liberated in the fundamental emptiness, letting be. This is why Lord Gampopa said, "We must meditate on the essence itself. Meditating on the empty does not help. Even gods and ghosts know how to meditate on the empty." The meaning of this is that we must meditate on exactly that emptiness of the phenomenal aspect as it appears itself being empty of its apparent existence in truth. By meditating on that, the aspect of interdependence that is capable of appearing as it does is the phenomenon. The aspect of its nature, no matter how much it appears, being no other than emptiness, is its phenomenal nature. Such a phenomenon and phenomenal nature are not established as two distinct truths in themselves. So phenomena and their phenomenal nature are established as being equal and realized to be inseparable. One realizes that. How should one nurture realization, you ask? It is exactly as it appears in the words of the precious kaijus. Upon appearance, when there is appearance, upon empty awareness, when there is awareness, upon bliss, when there is bliss, all phenomena, let alone as they are self-empty, elusive, and traceless. Meditate on exactly that without adding, subtracting, disputing, or proving anything. According to some great masters who have appeared in Tibet in modern times, one isolates the phenomenal nature from the phenomenal aspect to meditate on it, but that is not in our precious Kagyu tradition. Here there is a note. This method of meditating on it in isolation appears in new instructions on the view of the middle way, the profound dharma that were passed down from Manjushri to the middle way guru, Lord Tsongkhapa, Ketut Chöje, and so forth. They say that conventional valid cognition evaluates a phenomenon, a pillar, but does not actually evaluate its phenomenal nature, emptiness of truth. The valid progeny awareness evaluates the phenomenal nature, emptiness of truth, but does not actually evaluate the phenomenon, the pillar. Because these two automatically aid each other in evaluating, the two truths are inseparable. This is the profound distinction that leads to certainty in karmic cause and effect when one realizes emptiness, they say. In that case, forget about these individuals and other disciples gaining an understanding of the qualities of Scripture and Dharma. They haven't even engaged in an analysis of the words. Therefore, by seeing a thing, all qualities are seen. Instead of ascertaining through confusion, they fully engage in practice. And an entity's own essence is perceptible. What other unseen part is there, and what the valid examines? They imagine such subtleties, and stealing eternalist and nihilist words alter the key points of the definitive meaning. Instead of explaining that all phenomena are profound emptiness, they phrase it thus solely for establishing that things are not empty. That is why the great Pandita Nakhi Rinchen said to Yesang Tsewa, Jampa Lingpa, Tsangchuk Choda, and others, "Such Dharma teachings have never been heard in the noble land and in the sites and the places of the Vidyadharas, as appears in an old book by the master of Neodong Drapa Junne," an author's note. Unless we are liberated from the demon of clinging to attributes of a thing or a self in the relative phenomenal aspect, we might say that we are meditating on its phenomenal nature, emptiness, separate from it, but we will not be able to remove the confusion of elaborated predicates, the appearance of attributes. This is because whoever blocks the elaborated predicates that are confused attributes must realize that the basis itself for its elaboration of confused attributes is devoid of them and their being established as such. Otherwise, because of not realizing that, we will be unable to block the elaborated predication of a confused attributes that is based on that predicate. The advice is to know that such meditation on partial emptiness will not become even in the slightest the path of liberation and omniscience, just as the gods of formless meditating on the emptiness of nothingness does not become the path of meditating on profound emptiness. These days, due to the power of the Maras, the clansmen of darkness, non-human ghosts and their ilk, make a great many teach the view and meditation of profound emptiness incorrectly, but their manners of teaching are not all of the same kind. Some possess the beings of people known as scholars, making them remember many fallacious scriptures and logic so that they teach it and its proofs incorrectly. Some possess the being of those known as siddhas and produce many apparent experiences and realizations so that they assert that there are profound distinctions of the realization connected to their experience and teach incorrectly, and so forth. There are so many such teachers in the crowds of the snowland that it is logical for great beings with wise intelligence to refine gratefully the subtlety of their intellects when they engage these areas that are in great need of analysis. You must understand that you should stop following hearsay in all respects.
Oh yeah, that the 주지치아 버신체. 다만 쉬운 되어도 다 되는 야초서 this 드시도 시켰나. Marani that tawadi that is lagu isareta malamna marani be ngende chunde mani baba so de kege dela baba.
So now we'll have a half-hour break, and then after that, I think I need to give some explanation of this. It's not okay if I didn't. Otherwise, it's just instead of teaching, I'm just going blah 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 blah, and the translator's going blah 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 blah.
네. 다들 공도 티 나는 숨는 신기. 다 내가로 주디 가르스나 최쟁기 나와 다당을 sol라 즉 최쟁이 나와 덴덴 주주도 나한테와 다가랑 리아 다가랑이야 아주기 즉 가서 덴버트베 텐신유비 오보암 야나직 가서 밀로원으로 즉 되는지리아 오버샤니어스 되는 인두산에 갑들이야 사모통번이도 시럽기 엔 최신기 차 간다랑이야 가나에 된데 주주도 나한테베 나와 다가랑 봐 가서 까고 레수하데 다디 내가로 뒤토네 차되면서 삼청도
As it is explained in the instructions, the main point is that they are the appearances of phenomena, and they appear to us as if they as being truly established, as truly existence, and that it is exactly that we cling to as being a true established a thing, something real. We cling to them as being undeceiving, and so. For that reason, what we need to do is we need to use the prajna that realizes profound emptiness to negate the idea or refute the conception of that of those appearances being true as they appear. And so I think that this is the main point of this passage.
코랑기 모여 동바 섬으로 배나 주전 코랑이 모여 동바 로든지 공고레스 마도베 애니 주전 코랑 다당하라 소리야 나외 나와랑데바 코랑 까모도 나핑 말했어야지 다들이 인두산 디카도들이야 지당기 되다지 경험이 유도지 티 나로래야 다 제종업의 yapse shebadelia tos karwe kawarab nan de na yare ta ine trin kos babedelia phaji da di yami gyudoji ki sonde ya ta da anaji 제종업의 yapse sonde ya de game do ba jarje ene nyamsu lembar chitri chumina yaboru simero samtene tengdo drin du sta di gyuse dene tando du chuju meno samtene.
And so it says, the quotation from Lord Gampapa that is given here. We must meditate on the essence itself. Meditating on the empty does not help. So it is the it is the phenomena itself being empty of its own essence that we need to meditate upon. It's not as if we need to meditate upon some emptiness that is separate from that phenomenal aspect itself. It is just that phenomenal aspect itself that we need to meditate upon. And so this is the main point. Here in Mikyo Dorje's instructions, he does refute the explanation of Tsongkhapa and his followers. But I think in this context that if we are able to practice by way of establishing that the emptiness described by Mikyo Dorje and that described by Tsongkhapa are not contradictory, if we can practice in that way, it would be good.
Tanguma Dri Shumarswa, Chigelia, Lamaji, what is better than you, Chigelia, Chibres, and Dagoji Umanjubu Shemen. Umanjubu Shedustane, Maranzo, Tavalea, Bejeshe Chen, Jingaranzo Taval, you Bejeshe Dora, Deshe Chen Chigela, Umanjubu the Shame. Deshe Duzanada, Kajik in the Labare, Kajik in the Labare, Stamang which Lavora. And Tamboko business Telia, Chige, me, Pajeta, Noduzmento, Noduz Yores. The name Nimachi song is not in Mijik, Nichi, Sumchi, Tamatele, Michi one of Hamandos. That thing, that Chige, Nimachi Colia, or Nana Korana, Kitchetias, Lagotus. Get a cartias, Ladusane, and Chigeti. Korangati low Tondrama being a chicken, Lama chicken delabres, they love them carpenters. Nada is similar page goodus, Mato Kuzu Paji, Tuajadi, Nasha Penguins, digging delabres, Kurin delabres, Delaland de Javres, they love Dana, Nasha Penguins. Nada is similar pen torch goodus, the Gilabres. These were Chese, some Gasha, Mambuj Gaba. Laman di share, the Jelan Gaban di Gabres, the share, some of Sharon, just some pairs are making it. Dunzilla, my baby said, Dunzindia, shoot cheer on Androgy, some of the Chalua. Dunzilla, new shed and draw. Dunzi shoot cheer on Androgy, the Richard.
So in particular, once there was a Lama who went abroad, and he said he'd teach the entering the middle way by Chandrakirti to Westerners. And he thought, well, he'd teach it exactly the way he teaches it to monks. And so he thought to himself, well, I'm going to teach the entering the middle way. And so he started, and some people said, oh, this is easy. And so in the beginning, there were a few people, there were 5 or 6 people, and then there were only 1 or 2 or 3 people, and then fewer and fewer people until the end there was only 1 person left. And then this foreigner came to him and said, well, but I have a question for you. My question is, what I need is something that's going to help my mind. What's going to help me is, something that's actually beneficial to my mind. I don't need to know about all these disputes. I don't need to know, oh, this Lama said that, this old Lama said that, that old Lama said that. That doesn't help me. I need something that's going to really benefit my mind. And so it's like this. Often when we teach these, we are always talking about, oh, this Lama said this, and then there's a refutation of it by another Lama, and what one Lama said, another Lama said, and all of their refutations of each other. But what we really need at this time, But that's not what we really need at this time. In fact, sometimes if we do that, we're a little bit we emphasize these refutations too much, and it actually becomes a condition to actually increase our ego clinging.
제가 될래야 기록 라마치기 순주하래. 가 라마디 첸디 정민도. 즉 다리 가제는 주 리버 가제는 주 리버 마체버 타니 쓰기 가베. 가제타 가자 던진 공부로 민뇌베. 가자랑 게 유딘 와버체사. 나한테 나한테 가라잖아. 즉 가제기 니즈디 리버 즉 셈람 가샤 가르가고야 임바 셈람 리버 마샤와임비나 아나 타니에기 츠감벽이 가자 까데야 체비네 츠감벽이 즉 셈을 제체 근데 제제 된기 고아 말롱부체 츠감벽 셈을 제데비미나 되게 당진 공부를 내고 말했어 근데 이 견제하는 데는 네버도 가자사다 랑기 유딩리야 즉 칸한도 고지 안에 삼동아디 개좀 쉬우지레스 다 드리소요.
There was a Gelugpa Lama who spoke about this. I don't remember the name of the Lama. And he said that if we don't think about the meaning of the meaning of what is being refuted, and then it just becomes dry words of a refutation. Instead, we must turn inwards and see what the actual thing to be refuted is, and then it will be a true refutation. The meaning of this is that if we don't actually gain a real understanding of what it is that we need to refute or what it is that we need to negate, we don't understand the purpose of the real reasons for it, then if we refute it without that real understanding, it just becomes jargon or it becomes dry words. And those dry words in the end do not actually do much benefit. And they do not actually end up acting as an antidote for ego clinging. Instead, we need to look at it in ourselves. We need to see what is it within ourselves that is being refuted, and we need to turn our attention inward and look in our own beings to see what it is that is being refuted.
제상아 저기 우메기 지기 가르와 30세 말에 나들 망부치가 나로래야지 고아점 치기 고아점 조르체네 아니지 가지의 천시 망부슈지 가지스就是안 들리지스 그래서 가지 천시 망부슈지 저 요아르딘 조시아바 점기 소소기 셈라 네 조시아바 점시기 고추요 말았어 배나 꾸마르 응연진 꾸망응연진 거베입니다 다 꾸마디 미 나는 준비 나는 자 준비 샴바진 슬라비입니다 아나 꾸망응연진 도 말어 꾸마디 응연진 거이나 다 꾸마디 미임바 시르샤 안 대가는 준비인데 대가로 준비 로중제레 슬라비나 다 준비 로중 망보여 아래 미인게 망보여 아래 준비인게 망보여 아래 준비 로중주인게 망보여 아래 근데 이제 되게 대삼게 꾸망응연진 도 말어 아 주주도 말어 근데 준비도 잡아 땅 알아니 그네 다 대선들 하면 아직 찾아 되는로처럼 자동 바세기 쇠를 쏘는 얘기면서
So, for example, when we are looking at many of the instructions on the middle way view, often we place the understanding of the words, we emphasize the understanding of the words, and there are many refutations in these. But by following the refutations in this way, for leaving them as just words, then it's difficult for them to actually be effective. So what we actually need to do is we need to identify what it is. It's like if we need to say, oh, there's a thief, and you want to identify the thief. If you say, oh, the thief is human, the thief is a monk, and the thief is young, then that's not enough to actually identify who the thief actually is. It's not enough information to identify the person.
안다 구멍은 지도 구마 코레다 사지 주주사지 고거를 마도베 안다가스 다다 공시에는 신지게 다지 가주에 다지 천시망부지 장대의 잠시기 팬도메딩을 차디어래 드네 두산에 지 가자 가리임버디 랑기 뇽토 뇽와게베 톤 아니 가자 딘 냠바도치 드네 지금 라트버지 고거래 단도는 다다디 뇽라 투사도 조디 가자 디도네 뇽르지 도디어래 다디 우망아라바다 우마치르바기 다지 셰바도스미라 용한데야데 가정문지기 카도네 용한데 메로 사버지 조진다 리스테이션.
And so when you're identifying the thief, you have to be able to say, that's him. You have to be able to actually point a finger at the person. Otherwise, giving various examples of the person doesn't really help very much. And so it's primarily here we need to understand what it is that is being refuted. We need to recognize that within ourselves and gain an experience of it and be able to comprehend, this is what is being refuted. And it is really, this is where all the most of the difficulties come down to. It's what is being refuted. And this is the main difference between the earlier and the later middle way schools. It is what that which is being refuted, or the Nagandam.
Garage Lorda Ta Gaja Nguyen Zibir Chevalea, Gaja Nung Zu Summer, Gaja Nung Zu the Kandimati, Gaja Sidusane, Gajueti, Gaja Nung Zu Kandimati, Where Singwadi, Kesham Chadi on it.
And so in order to identify what is being refuted, we need to recognize how what is being refuted appears.
That delay, I'm the Kashreji, Gami Yudoji, T. Di Nalolea, Sundiagi, Uma, Takanda, Uma Arabanamji, Pumba Pumbetong Sach. Da tu na do de pumba pumbe tong span chujin pumba jilia shi persuan shebi na pumba pumbe tong sa chi ga les an uma chira ba pumba pumbe me tong pumba an ji dinru ji tong tong ba de shi su ga les da de du sa di to ne to ji sheba mi du ba yong de a ji ga mi chu de yong de ga le.
Here in these instructions by Mikya Dorje, he is teaching the view of the earlier middle way. And in the earlier middle way, for example, if we use the well-known example of a jug, the earlier middle way would say that a jug is empty of the jug. That they'd explain that jugs are empty of any jug. The later middle way school will say that jugs are not empty of jugs. Jugs are empty of the true establishment of a jug. And so it is in this respect that there are differences between these two.
Tanamju, Gajue, Gilugi, Ume 30, Mambu Nalolia, and Tendam Jesse, Ribe Jebe Sana. 가르쳐war다 지게 가제게 다 랑wen의 주바 대당 다는 신경 또베 딱바 섬기 나니가 냠도 가고 레스와지 근데지 우메들이 들이다 먹으나요 영대도 다디 가르스나 가제 다 랑원의 주바사죠 봐 랑원의 주베 개발도 제베 다죠 봐 가제 다 랑원의 주바 대당 다 똑베 딱바 섬기 다세 유 똑베 딱바 섬기 다세리 요레스 랑은 주베 다디 어 말에 숨고봐 라이네 텐담 쥐제기 르베 쥐베 겁리야 아니 가제기 다랑은 주바 대당 되네 떡베 딱버점기 떡베 딱버점기 다스는 다도 떡베 딱버점기 나니가 냠도 가오레스제 근데 손샤 딱 간다 티 망고지나 우메다 티 망고지나 근데 중대요래
So what is usually said in the instructions on the middle way view in the Gelugpa tradition is when we are analyzing things with when we're analyzing with the awareness that analyzes the ultimate, then it is both the self that is established as itself on its own, as well as a self that is projected by thought that need to be refuted or averted together. So it is both the idea of a self, or it is both the idea of a self that is existing in itself, as well as any thought, any projection of a self that need to be refuted together at the same time by this analysis of the ultimate. And so this is what it says in many of the Gelugpa tradition instruction manuals.
Tati Karsungorasana, Naranson Tada Kanang Devasumare. Karsure Tsuduginawa to the Kanan, the Tsuduginawa, the Datamji, Gajer Chaures, to the Jivijevisan, Rana Kanangi Tada, Naransolia, Kanangi, Tsuduginawa, the Datamji Gajer and Gores, T. Mazibicheche. Energy yang dember chulu luchi kana thamje ngara ju dember chuban zindi go da ngara ju chulu gi awa kana thamje denshin gi he shu go senen dan do kandar kana thamje denzi gi nawa sorchi denzi gi he shu de ba cha de gi indu san dele los kyube ji dember chulu no ji loba chi sha ji ane de ga cha chebi mina 다 가르디 우마벨루기 가정을 승금마레 송야지 다다 디나네다 지가로 게라시슈르디 장기에게 우메 덩구루 다 디나로래야 거주라 진시 최네 도디사 도와 아디 유라드 갈라카브스 도와 다 간다 디세네 다나다다 가낭 추주고 나와 가낭 탐지 섬으로 딘징이 해 슈버레스 근데 이제 다가랑 가저체 쳐버린 레 텔로스 다지 템퍼처루 현시 가르슈에다 로스 요가 바마이스 근데 송대요.
And so what this is saying is that whatever that it appears to us through the sixth consciousness, exactly that is what we need to block, or what we need to refute or negate. They appear to us and we cling to them as true, and that is what we need to negate. We do not need to negate some separate thing that, other than what appears to us of the sixth consciousness, some separate thing that is true and established, that we cling to as being true. There's no separate thing other than the appearances that we need to, that we cling to as being true, which would be the thing that we need to negate. And so here, when we talk about in the middle way view, what is being negated is that it is not some separate thing that is being negated. Now, this is exactly what Chankya Rilpe Dorje says in his song of the Middle Way View, Recognizing My Mother. There's not something separate from what appears to us that we need to negate. It is our clinging to the truth that is of what it is that appears that we actually need to negate. It's not separate from it. There's not some other thing that is really true and really established that we need to negate.
당한다 디지기 내가디 아주 개첨부를 차리 있어서 다대기 나와 스므랑 아주 다대기 지 나와들이야 지 소비를 시켜마도 제 소비 겸마도 의미나 아니 지 가져에 심리야 요하야 깔아하고 싶지 않아요. 제가 들려다 루규시에 연주산에 이 파무주베 루규시에가 왔다. 파무주베 루규소 연주산에 ene pamur chubegi chidang pamur chubadi dangbu pura chikara lomye gadambe geshi chenpu chari yore cheza lomye mangbu nangare dangbu baji sengbu liya pe sengbu chedal pe didu sane sengbu liya chawa chwegi sengi do shuwa yore didu sane kowegi 코알라 코웨 규진 진시제 건지 슈브레스 코알라 코웨 규진 진 슈두산에 아니 머리버레스 코알라 코웨 겐데 머리버레스 이제 송브레스 다 되게 콘다 머리버레스 아트남 유지 땡주 지 최게를 줘 봐. 그 상에 머리버레스 랍데 두산에 미세지 셈레야 펜버스 게 총마소스 다 디젤레야 사게바 첨부 제 사게바 첨부 제두산에 아니 버지 양 건지 슈브레스 건지 슈두산에 다디 랜데 가래 땅에 야고 지금도 가다 랜지 너두산 디디 셈라 오마를 알레베지 셈라 펜차와로 종물했다 다디 젤레야 아니 다부름 지군들이야 자 다보름 비치군주 제두산에 제두산에 코웨 규진 진 슈두산에 다보름 비치기 교랑기 다대기 시바 인드레스 마 다대 시바 드레치지 아니 가수에다 마 랭겨머레스 대균두산 람상 고라 가수에베 가수 셈라 팸도 심부 슈 종네 람산지 가져다 뭐를 쳐야지. 드리 총벌했어. 드리 송고와.
This is a very important point. It's the appearances of right now. If we're not able to transform our appearances right now, then it'll be difficult for us to affect or really transform our minds. Like there's a story about this with the great master Padmadrupa. Padmadrupa first did a great deal of study with many Kadampa masters. He went to Tsambu Monastery where he met the great master Chabachigi Senge. And he asked, what are the causes and conditions for wandering in samsara? And the answer that Chabachigi Senge gave was, it's ignorance. Well, it's ignorance. This is a word that we always use in the Dharma, the ignorance that is an independence and so forth. It's just plain Dharma jargon, and we hear it all the time. And so he really felt like this answer really didn't bring much benefit to him in his mind. Then he went to meet the great Sakya master, the Sakyapa Chempo. Meeting him, he asked him the same question, and he received a response. I don't remember the exact response, but he felt like it was a little bit more beneficial than what he had heard before. And then he went to meet Gampopa, and he asked Gampopa the same question: what is the cause of samsara? And Gampopa's reply was, it's your own present mind, your own mind at the present moment. That's what it is. And immediately he felt like this really had a great benefit in his mind, and he really recognized what it meant.
제자다 지꼬람 지 금세망 뭐지 시에망 뭐 꼬라망 뭐지 냠먹어 봐 쟤네 바 커두랑 베지 나나 나토 르나 리토서는지 커두랑 바 주주제 송셔주산에 안디기 딱고란지 라마디 치르데 데베여베체 로마데 깨와다 데베치 임비나 고드리지 오쳐줘야지 예브레 근데 맛이 개첨부르샤 아주지 가수에 다대기 지기 나완들이야베 소저를 좀 주변 나와서는 다도 뒤두고 나와서는 다도 다 되게 들려야지 소저를 지다 뒤투베이 뭐를 좀 아시나 아주 투베서 뒤두고 나와서야지 이 소르도 와질이야베 남샤로 뭐지 제제 소소 지라께 매대베서지 피게께 된바레스 나께는 데 말해서 소르지 다 가는 디셰디 주산데 시라라 지 펜도스 시라 매대베서지 좀 차리어네
And so for this reason, we don't need to look for many reasons outside for ourselves. We don't need to search for something outside of ourselves. Instead, we need to look directly inside of ourselves and see what it is in ourselves. We need to look in ourselves to see. And so for this reason, if there is a guru who has the power of blessings and a student who has the fortune, then with these two together, we can see. You can see that it's the present appearances. It is the confused appearances that we need to transform. We need to be able to see this is the confusion. We need to understand that the confusion is of thinking things are truly established. It's not that there's some other thing that we need outside of that we need to change. Also, often when we think about what it is that needs to be negated, we think I don't have any problem with ourselves. We think it's over there, the problem's out there, it's outside of ourselves. But we ourselves don't have a problem. And if we do that, it is not so beneficial.
도시 연디 얼마 따는 유시주산에 규모대비 가sam데다 요래사지 단위에도 요래스 에네다지 덴버트베다 나데 단위에도 요마레사 순고봐 다 임베네 안아서 레 당부베기 에네 지가르에 티니기 캬버제트라 깔아가보시지 자데 요래스 다 티디도 그랬어 아주 내 당부바 디즈기 에너지 또베 따슴기 나대당 다지 딘징기 해슈베기 나디니 케바자 클라하고 싶자 내 당부베 드네 주산의 케바 제민유베 임비 인상 디균셀 데네 엔다지 니가 냠도 까오래 사실 다 드네지 지망보나도 형리어래
And so there is the idea of a self that is projected by thought. There is the illusory me, and then there is the idea of a self that is established of its that is naturally established of its own. These are not separate things that we need to illuminate, that we need to negate. And so for this reason, it's said that the illusory me that appears conventionally does appear. But the truly existent self, that does not exist even conventionally. And so often for beginners, these two are difficult to distinguish. They have difficulty distinguishing the self that is projected by thought from the ego clinging of a self, and because they are unable to make that distinction, it is better to refute both of them at the same time, as is said in many instructions.
랑게 심규래야 지 가자 가인 받은 문진도 버려 체지 드네지가 토하네 안다지 수수 셈래야 지 소주 잡도 버지다 에너지 당진래야 지 당진 공부티 뇌제도 로도 버려지 덴제지 과데 계심슈 차디 여러마도시 삼성 아주 지 남샤 먹고 싶지 파스텔이야 남샤 먹고 싶지 다이네 남샤 디기 다 남자 시주사는 다디 배 가수로다 다디 지망고 셰데비미네 되게 수수셈리아 소지 겹쳐야지다 아니지 랑오트트야르지 개가 가 펜도메르체 드네 셰비네 아니지 우메더디 차르 자사르 동사르 망고 셰데네 시라 펜도메데베 소르지 또 차리요
So we need to turn inwards, we need to look at ourselves and see within our own beings what it is that needs to be negated and identify this. If we don't do this, and once we have done that, then we need to recognize within our own minds, and we need to change our own minds, and then we need to decrease our ego, our clinging to an ego. It is important that we be able to do this. Otherwise, we may know many different presentations. We may be able to explain many different presentations. But if we are not able to then look inwards and identify within our own minds what is being negated, and then it will not be of much benefit. We might be able to recite the root text, the root verses on the Madhyamaka 100 or 1,000 times, but it won't bring any benefit.
다디 겐덴베 더지 남 도스송야래 다네 영암 규도지기 공부는 시체비미냐 남규 지기 더더디 내급 숨사데 개침시 뜨는 거 알아 마다마제비 내급 중세제비 내급 신두제비 내급사데 내급 숨부디 개침시 뜨는 거 알아 다디 가족이 샤르디 주나로 내급 숨 거들이야 다다라야 다다야 떼지 떼 개침부지 알고 개침부지체 딱 하나 단동디 샤마르 주버 추이원주기 체매기 지된티 나로래야 내급 숨기 남샤디 아니 먹이 가르쳐다 나와네 송디야 내급 숨기 남샤 로단디 토는 조고예스 드라이어지 이 송도아 대인도사 디야 야버지 아주지 셰과디 개침 슈샤데 메로섬트.
And so that is the explanation that appears in the Gelugpa tradition. Now, in Mikya Dorje's thought, he often really stresses the three phases. These are the phases of the pre-analytic, the phase of partial analysis, and the phase of complete analysis. These are the three different phases. I think that with these three phases of analysis, I think that even right now they're still extremely important. We need to consider them very important. We can also see this in the text on the general discussion of validity by the sixth Shamar Chukyi Wangchuk. He really combines all of the discussions of all the schools from the Great Exposition on up with these three phases of analysis. And so he also emphasizes the three phases of analysis, and I think that this is also very beneficial now.
고알렌다로 체비미나 그디 우메급리야 마다 마제바디 중세제바 송아데 다 마다 마제바디 에너지 타니 세메 다 간다 된담 주제기 세메 마다 마제비 내가 지금 샤고면 다드네 중세제바 사데 제바 된담 주제기 제바 세메 제라 된담 주제기 무슨 세메 마제비 내가 다 드는 좀 샤고면로 네 주스타는 디라데리아 중세제베 내급기 다 중세제베 체메 니에드엔티 남자에 된담 덴바마도베 남자에 비 된담 덴바를 로트야데 바지 유기 말을 삼자고 다 되네 신두제베 참아사디 다 중세 세계 중세 디기 슈기 다 신도 제바지 마샤라샤르지 도스르바 중세 제바스 다 델레 중세 제바레 다 델레 슈체르 제바체나 간데 저거를 알아주고 도바이 모르죠 중세 제베 슈기 신도 제바사지 고랑 신도 제바사지 슈를 총벌이야 드레인도 신도 제바사데 다 무슨 참아사나 장도 파베냠샤 이시 다라리아 샤과르지 다 디니에든 이제 파벤냠샤 이시 니에든 선난다도 다 디승어를 최담제 다 드바다 타와 에너지 거주다 타와 선난다도 다는 유시 송대하기 드베 타제다 타와사디 타르투보디 아니 신두제베 내고리아 샤투야지 마도베 중세제베 내고라 샤투야 갈라하면로 섬청도 드네 주스타네 다다디 우메르 쟁아 송대하디 그 상월로 바지 중세제베 참마마도 신두제베 참만 로트야 가고 싶으시래 되게 참만로 제바를 물어봐 드네주산에 중세제베 참마마도 신두제베 참만 로트야 가고 싶으 차려 제산 딘데기 남샤 내급 숨기 남샤티 토네 삼 땅유산에 안당기 지 겐덴베 송대야데다 다당 알아주 다지 내급 숨기 남샤 셴네 때나 팝대야데 로단디기 타도 지 공부집에서 차려야지 도시 바지 용대 말아서 도시 정도
So the way I understand it is this: in the middle way, in the middle way view, when we have the three phases of analysis, the phase of the pre-analytic phase is like the phase of the conventional, of using conventional validity. So this is talking about things in a conventional way, the conventional appearances. Then the phase of partial analysis is the phase of when we use the inference. And so this is similar to the using the validity that analyzes the ultimate. And so when we examine what we recognize or what we ascertain through during the phase of partial analysis, we would have to say that this is what we would call the categorized ultimate, not the uncategorized ultimate truth. And then the phase of complete analysis comes naturally out of the phase of partial analysis. As the phase of partial analysis gets stronger and stronger, then naturally it becomes the phase of complete analysis. So the phase of partial analysis is a phase of where we're using inference, and then as that grows stronger, it leads to the phase of complete analysis. And that phase of complete analysis is where we have perception of emptiness. So this is perceptual validity. It is the equipoise of the nobles, the wisdom of the nobles' equipoise. And at that point, they see that all phenomena are free of any elaborations. They're free of the four extremes and the eight elaborations and so forth. So this is what we see at the time of complete analysis. It's difficult to see this at the time of partial analysis. And so when we look at this, we can see that actually when we talk about the five great logics of the middle way, these are used during the phase of partial analysis. They're not used during the phase of complete analysis because because they're primarily inference. So they're the phase of partial analysis. And so I think if we examine the teachings on the three phases in this way, we can see that the tradition of the Gelugpas and our own teachings of the three phases actually eventually established the same thing. They ultimately come to be the same in intent.
Tene Dusan Azudam Yunchi Ume Tashi Dusan Negab Sumgi Rodano Detone Kora Kashweji Tsam Shensam Manorojan Drad Tene Mevse Lamsanji Umego Chishi Lamsan Chomja Jamlinea Kashweji Shindu Jebe Nantwaji Chinja Aneta Yovata Jichi Mevata Jichi Sangasorji Takandaji Ya Rodidwa. 다들 미세디 과례에서 개매되어 있었죠. 여바다 지지 매바다 지지사데. 다들 조진 내라 그러시러 봐. 다들 인도산에 딘데가 토하네. 내가 숨기 런삼 시에 토하네. 다가 드리지가 토하네. 제바 체제. 로도야 좋아데 개심으로 좀 말로 섬창도. 다는 신기 빼나 중세 제베기. 다 중세 제바도 냐 되게 쉬버나 신기. 제바사마. 제바즈메 니에드는 샤고 유서를 섬선으로 두어 다들 샤연주산에 아니 디 중세 제베 체메 니에드는데 남라마에 되는데 바로 셔가래 다 되는데 바디 바지 남라마에 되는데 바디 되는데 바 신이바 많이 송도 남라마에 되는데 바디 제자 남라마에 되는데 바다 남라마에 되는데 바데라 뭐고네 개바 유메사들 지 데지 가르에 우망아르바도 치라베 데지 가르다지 데지 만라메로 섬정도 남람에 되는데 남람에 되는데 맞아 데 다들 망고샤시에 뭐제 가다 이제 그 토안에 간다를 가르에다 당에 다도 도도 쉬아디 가르사나 다 돌아 망부지 남샤 망부지 셰 먹어배 토네 다 간다지 수수기 다 덴지 다 던진기 냠볼라베 저 컨도르자 다들 냠내 자데 개심시 카나도 거지 그 자데 개심시라래 쉬어
And so when we are studying the middle way view, it's important that we be able to differentiate what are the borders between the three different phases and how we go from one phase to another. Otherwise, if we think we can immediately jump straight to the phase of complete analysis, then I think it's difficult for us to be able to develop any understanding of that. If we jump from the ordinary phase to the phase of complete analysis where we say there's nothing existing, nothing not existing, and so forth, it's difficult to develop an understanding. And so it's important to be able to distinguish the differences between the phases and move through them properly. And as we do this, then I think we can say that the phase of partial analysis is the phase where we use inferential validity. And during this phase of partial analysis, then we'd have to say that what we come to understand is the categorized ultimate. It is not the uncategorized ultimate. Now, I think the question of whether there is a distinction between the categorized and the uncategorized ultimate in terms of their essence is a point where there are many different descriptions in the earlier and the later presentations of the middle way. And so, but it's not necessary to go into say too much about the various different presentations right now. The basic point that I would like to say is that when we are what we need to understand here is that we need to turn our attention inwards and look. We need to have our practice become able to be an antidote for clinging to reality, clinging to truth, and for clinging to an ego. And it is important that we be able to turn our attention inwards for this.
오야 다 내가 저 샤 안다 선이는 뭐지 선이 니마 타 말해 다 선이 아 슈드바 레스드사 나 동이 시고르디 데스 슈하게 슈드바 데스 모드로 슈나서 디 슈드 자말 다 롱기 서지 만 되잖아 그래서 디가서래.
And so tomorrow is our last day. There's still quite a bit of the text left, but I thought that I would explain the topic of the fourfold emptiness. And then the rest of the text, I think I'll primarily read it as a transmission.
지다전 당부 지동자서 롱된야를 마도 티야 말해. 다제지 카데버를 차지. 다 걸리게 지 차스다. 아, 다들 인주스네. 다들 다들이
So originally in teaching and going through these 100 short instructions, the idea was to give a lung, the transmission for them, not a teaching, but I got a little bit too talkative and it's really become a bit of instructions.